Tease Media. We keep you informed.
Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tease Media. We keep you informed. This time around, have you ever been there having old tires? Just know, we're going to learn how to utilize them, how to use them, even if they are old, but they can be more useful than before. Alright, our YouTube channel got some issues, then we changed it and we got this one. This time around, we are going to see how old tires are used as brooders. Brooders, these are places where young chicks are kept to get warmth. Now, these are local chicks. This is a local breed. But what you have to know that it is somehow very simple. Very, very simple. Just get any tires you have. If you have 2, 3, and sometimes it depends on how many chicks you are having. And when you try to do this, you are trying to keep them from pests, to keep them from any other activity that can harm their existence and even to multiply. Because when you keep them here, their mother can still go ahead to continue, or can quickly go into that state of giving or of producing other eggs quickly, right? And inside here, it is very warm, very, very warm. And this makes these chicks to behave like, you see, they are for only 1 week, those chicks you are seeing, for only 1 week. But the way they are behaving and the way they are loving themselves, just using those old tires. Yeah. Tease Media. This is a workshop of knowledge. And we are going to get a lot of information from here. And this exercise, this experience is very, very easy and very simple. You can get the tires from the neighbors. They always throw them on the pits. They always throw them, or using them as the young kids, using them as they ride them. But if you can buy them, fine. If you cannot buy them, still you can access them at a free cost. It's okay. You can place it anywhere, under the sunshine, the minimum sunshine, under the veranda, anywhere, and it can be very, very clean. Inside you can put there the water and even the feeds. Yes. But still, if you are finding our videos educative, our content is informative, transformative, and interesting, please do subscribe, share, like, and don't even forget to give your comment in the comment section below. How are you seeing? If the video was hopeful, how hopeful was it to you? Okay, don't even forget to share it to your friends, and don't forget to put this into practice, because we decided to create something that can be a problem solving channel, or a channel that can be creative, that can provide creative information to our viewers and subscribers, you know. Now we can be having something like 20 chicks down there, inside there. And these tires, you see there are 3, and we're showing you how they are. And as I said, very simple method. Just get the first tire, you pile it to the second one, and the third one. And in each tire, still you can put your chicks, those young chicks, you can put them in each tire. You can cover on the top if possible. Like you might be seeing where you have placed it, it has a lot of, it's like too much sunshine. You can cover it slowly. Yeah, but it's a good idea. And this is where the world wants us to go, you know. Yeah, if you are creative, yeah, you can win the world. Because education rewards the mind, but the world rewards creativity. Yeah, today's world, everything is becoming little, everything is becoming small, and even those small ones, they are a bit expensive. That's why creativity is at the highest level. The workshop of knowledge and creativity. This is media. I salute you all. Please do subscribe. Please subscribe. We want to reach to 10,000 subscribers very, very, very quickly. The more you support, the more we make research and we provide you this kind of information. You know, these young chicks, they are always being disturbed and harmed by the petties, by the birds. There are those birds which do entertain eating these young chicks. Now, if you put them here, it is a well-designed strategy where even if it rains, they can hide inside there. Even if there is no any harm that can reach to them. The more you do this, the more you multiply the business, right? Yes.